Alright, so if you want to move files between your PC and BlueStacks, it's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. Let's go step by step. First, open BlueStacks and click on the Media Manager from the side toolbar. Now click Import from Windows or Import from Mac depending on your system. Choose the file you want to transfer, like an image, video, or APK file. Once imported, the file will appear inside BlueStacks in the Media Manager. Now you can open or use the file inside any app, just like on a phone. To send files back to your computer, long press the file and choose Export. You can also simply drag and drop files from your PC into BlueStacks. And yeah, that's how you transfer files in BlueStacks. Simple, fast, and works both ways.